Balloon flower tutorial. Inflate a 10-inch round balloon to 20 centimeters. Pair up and tie. Prepare to sets. Take a similarly sized balloon and tie it to one group. The two clusters of balloons are intertwined. Prepare a set of 5-inch balloons. Prepare two slightly undersized 5-inch balloons, clustered together. Slide the balloon body through the gap. Secure the black balloon in the same way. Prepare two 5-inch round balloons and tie them to each end of the fishing line. Trim the excess neck. Attach the small balloon ball on top of the 5-petal balloon flower. And the balloon flower is done. Do you know how to make it now?